trying to eat my cereal. And these cute little ones trying to get my attention. She just woke up. I think she wants out. Probably for W-A-L-K. She has yet to learn how to spell. So we're still safe to say that. Look at those sad little cute eyes. She's gorgeous. Don't lick me. It's gross. I mean, it's a nice cool day out there. This is funny. This is a funny one. I love doing this. Hey, look at the camera. You know what I'm doing. You know exactly what I'm doing. She hates this. Yep, she does. Bunny ears. You do this. Put the evil tears to you. Oh, she's gonna look over. Look over. Look at it. Look how cute she is. Oh, shit. She hates that. Thank you for being Quinn. Love you. Love you a lot.